It's about that time of day that my tummy's getting a little grumbly. So Ethel's baking is what we're going to talk about, where it's all about the ingredients, butter being the #1, but just know, while you look at these and they look delectable and rich and fabulous, they are handmade, no preservatives, and gluten-free. So this is the 24 count of the scratch-made fruit variety dessert bars, done in 6 trays. There's 4 bars in each tray. So you get the blueberry crumble, the lemon crumble, and the raspberry crumble as well. This looks so good. I can't wait to dive into this. It's M133434. Let me bring in Jessie Haliva, who's going to take us through everything about Ethel's baking while I bust into these because I'm hungry.
Hey, Julia.
Hi.
Perfect pick-me-up, right? When you're craving that little something. I love these any time of day, whether it's in the morning, you warm it up, you have it with your coffee. Later at night, you can add ice cream to this. But the real story is that these are unbelievably gluten-free. It's a treat for everyone, and that's what our founder wanted to do, make something we can all enjoy. Slow made in small batches. This right here, this is the lemon crumble. You requested the lemon. Look at that soft, tender, buttery shortbread crust, pure lemon jam. And then we top it with a hand-done crumble, as well as that delicious glaze. We have the raspberry. Now, the raspberry was actually created because our founder, Jill, when she was growing up, Grandma Ethel would make her raspberry pie for her birthday. Pure, delicious, real fruit jam in there, moist and tender. And then we go to our blueberry. Look at all of that delicious glaze on top. Real blueberry jam, that shortbread tender crust that you know and love from Ethel's. I'm telling you, when you taste this, you have never had anything so good. It is like pie in a bar.
Jessie?
That moment of silence said it all.
Wow, this is really good. I just bit into the blueberry and like it is so blueberry forward. There's so much of that blueberry jam and it's sweet and it's buttery. Right. How is this gluten-free?
I am telling you, that's the big deal about this, right? It doesn't matter if you're trying to be gluten-free, if you have to be or not. It is just really, really good.
Okay, we do have some pictures of Ethel, I think, that we're going to show. Yeah, can you talk us? Look at this.
Oh, look at Ethel, our sweet Ethel. I always say this, beautiful inside and out, because you know what? She used food as a love language for her family. So our sweet Ethel, she is the grandma to our founder, Jill. Now, Jill, about, I want to say like 2010, so about 15 years ago, Jill was hosting for a holiday. She made a delicious bar dessert. And let me tell you, she did not tell anybody it was gluten-free. And that was the big surprise. Everybody fell in love with it. It launched the business. Now Jill and her daughter Lily are, bringing us these sweet treats for all of us to enjoy. And I love the fact that you are getting 6 containers of this. So you're getting 2 containers of each flavor. They have a 2 to 3 week shelf life because there are no preservatives. These are all made fresh to order. Small batches. Each one is handmade. Takes 2.5 hours to make each bar. But what I love about the fact that you're getting all these containers is maybe you're saying, that's a lot of bars for me, right? Keep out what you're ready to eat, and you can throw the rest in the freezer for up to 6 months.
Really? Oh my gosh, that raspberry is so good. It's so bright, and that raspberry, like, it comes through in such a fresh way. The lemon also really bright and lemon forward. Look, you don't have to make any choices. You're getting, let's see, what is it? 8 bars of each? Does that math make sense? Yes,
8 bars of each. 24 bars in total.
So you're getting 8 of the blueberry crumble, 8 of the lemon crumble, 8 of the raspberry crumble, all of that in 6 boxes in total. A great gift right here. Anyone who is gluten-free, they're going to be over the moon excited about this because it is buttery, it is crumbly, it is rich, and then fruit forward as well. I can't decide which one's my favorite.
That's the thing, right? And that's what I love, that you don't have to choose. So you're getting the blueberry. It is that real blueberry. This is a homemade jam that artisan jam makers in Vermont makes special for us following our recipe. All of that yummy, tender shortbread crust, very buttery. Look at the top of this, a hand-done crumble with all of that sweet sugar glaze. It's like the perfect icing on top. I love that you're getting all of this, because you know what else? You can cut these in half and really kind of stretch it even farther. We have a cute little display here. Maybe you're hosting brunch. Maybe it's the baby shower. Maybe a friend invited you over and you want to bring something. This is what you bring, because guess what? Everybody can enjoy it, whether they're gluten-free or not. It's just that good.
Really great to put out at maybe you're hosting a baby shower or a wedding shower or book club, and you kind of like cover all your bases here, because it is gluten-free. You don't have to worry about anyone's dietary restrictions, but everybody is just going to like fall in love with like that handmade taste, that flavor. It feels like grandma made this for you. It's M133434. There's no auto delivery on this, but it's done in small batches, and it tastes like it's been done in small batches. That shortbread crust, the jam, the oat crumble, that sugar glaze, like every layer, chef's kiss.
Right.
Chef's
it is
kiss.
Pure heaven. And I'm glad you said about, you know, sharing this, right? Because so often there are people in your life that maybe you don't even realize they're gluten-free. Actually, so tomorrow for the big game, I am going to my mother-in-law's, and one of the guests is gluten-free. And last night I'm on the phone with her, and she's like reading the labels on all of her stuff, saying, oh, can this person enjoy it? I said, don't worry. I am bringing Ethel's. And that way we have lots to enjoy for all of us. Everybody can have fun and eat these, but you're also getting 3 different flavors. The raspberry, which was based on, you know, Jill's favorite pie for her birthday, the blueberry, which you've been loving, and that lemon, highly requested, not overly tart.
6 trays of 4 bars each. You get all 3 flavors, 8 of each flavor. In total, the blueberry, the lemon, and the raspberry crumble. It's $1.66 a bar. I mean, come on. It's $13.33 on your easy pay. It's M133434, and no auto delivery on this one.